You are coming out from my room. For what?
Yes, Your Majesty. Nothing. I just wanted to check if you have finished eating the food so I can remove the plate.
I have not. Get me a cup so that I can take my medicine before eating.
Okay, Your Majesty. Killing this woman is not the right thing for me. If I get this promise of 20 million, what will it profit me? Because I am a killer. It is very true that this Lolo is a bad woman and has been holding this community hostage. But will it be enough reason for me to allow her drink that poison? Will the gods forgive me? Do I tell her to pour away the herbs? What do I do?
I have said it before, and will say it again. If there is anything I can do to chase these people out of that palace, I can do it. But having anything to do with charms, count me out. After all, you all heard me say it at the palace that that boy is not our son. All evidence has proven it.
So what do we do?
What if we arrange the youths to send them away from the palace? Yes. The youths of Akawa can confidently do this, even with our masquerades.
We don't need demonstration in the issue of the palace. We don't need anything like that. Do you want further problem in the community? See, the only place we can need such a thing like masquerade and all this is during Ugabata's burial. If we push the woman and the son and they disagree with us, we invite the villagers. Because the king married Ugabata's mother from Akawa here. You understand what I'm saying? That is
I have told you that nothing will happen to the king and the throne. You think you can cross the 7th sea and come here to do anything you wish? I will bend your neck. This is Mirima speaking. The eagle from above. Now, leave this palace at once.
So you're the evil one blocking my way from taking over my father's heritage. I don't know who you are with your evil powers, but I will come for you, power for power, and I will liberate this palace from your evil deeds. You squatting bitch, standing in my father's palace, defending evil.
I will come for you!
Chamaka, have you been able to speak with that maid to know if she actually carried out that assignment?
Yes, I did. She said she did everything, but she does not know why it's not effective. Truly, brother, that woman is not a human being. And as long as she is alive, we will not be able to get what we want.
Let me tell you, see that woman? That woman is a monster in a human form. Oh, yes. In fact, I am advising all of you to calm down. She must die. You know, I don't like bragging or shouting about it, but I know that they are number. Are you aware that there are plenty evil shrines stationed in various parts of that, in fact, in various corners of that palace? Do you know? Even idea. But regardless, we shall overcome. I would like to see that Chinedu.
Okay, please. I will invite her.
Borrow me.
Yes, come in.
Your Majesty, please your food.
Chinedu. Chinedu, I have always told you to serve me with the royal tray. What is it that you will just carry? Something wrong with you?
No, ma'am.
And you will bring my food. You will not come with the glasses for my herbs. Now you go back again to go and bring the glass. Eh? And then you will still go and get me more herbs because this one is almost finished.
Your Majesty, you have almost finished drinking this. Are you getting better, ma?
Chinedu,
Your Majesty.
I want you to know that nobody born of a woman can kill what is inside me. This one is even sweeter. I don't know why it's very, very, very sweet. My dear, go and get me the glass. Let me take it before I eat my food. Chinedu, fast.
She said the herb is sweeter. Seems like she has ndabui or anti-poison. How could she be telling me that nobody born of a woman can hurt her? They said she's a witch, and I am seeing it with my eyes. How can she still be agile after drinking that thing?
There is absolutely something wrong with that woman. I'm glad you all fled, and now you are back to take that which belongs to you. And you must get it. But we must tread with caution. We have to. Whatever you think you have that makes you stronger, please, you have to halt it for now. I know all the dibias the woman has been bringing to the palace. But the most dangerous, in fact the major one, is Minima. If that one is not destroyed, all our efforts are bound to end in futility. Nothing more.
You're right. You are very right. She goes with a lot of things. She disrupted me yesterday at the palace. Yes. Before you could do anything, she's already there. Yes. We're trying our best to...
Akwadokwara too? Yes. Akwadoro the way isi chene ekwado. Well, what will happen is I will find out where that Minima is living. Then we'll go and destroy it. After that, we can now move on with the fight. Listen, I am from your mother's clan. I will never deceive you. Let us take it easy. Yeah? Cheers.
Please help me call Chiamaka.
Chiamaka again?
Yes.
You have been here before, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me call her. Wait.
It's not a problem. They know everything. And that is why they sent for you. Why are you scared?
It will look as if I agreed to do something and I did not carry it out.
Come and explain to them. They might have other options.
Chiamaka, when we are in school, you have not showed like someone who has a strong heart like this. What changed? Imagine you supporting to kill this woman.
You will never understand. This woman rubbished my mother. She made sure we left the palace. And also made my mother to swear before the king. I was very little, but I saw the hatred. And my mother died because of it. How do you expect me to forgive such a person? She adopted someone we don't know, and that person is sitting as a king in this kingdom. Chidiogo, please, I don't want to talk about this. Let's go in and see my brother. Please, let's go. Welcome. Thank you. Have a seat. Okay. Let me go and call my brothers.
Chiamaka, wait. Among these your brothers, who is the senior?
Ikeka, then Uzondu, and me. Why are you asking?
Nothing. I just want to know who I will bow for as an incoming king if they succeed.
You're not serious. I'll be right back.
Alright.
We're preparing for our obituary. Why did you throw the thing away?
Sir, that woman is not a human being at all. I poured all the stuff in her house. I was even expecting a shout at the first day. Not until I find out that she has almost finished the whole medicine. And nothing happens. Even me, I was even shocked.
I knew it. I knew it's not going to be easy. A woman that have all the charms to be able to convince the king. And even convince the eye of the gods to testify against my mother upon my mother's stairs. Well, she has it all. But we are not going to let her go free. What do we do? It's like we're losing out too. It's like that woman has superior powers than us. Well, because as it is now, that woman hasn't that way. That woman has everything. In fact, that woman has been into this for many years. See, we need to give her, we need to put that poison in her tea or whatever. Another second time. Since she didn't get her herbal medicine, she will eat the food and even leave the plates. Still challenge you. Yes. Of course. Well, anyway, my sister, you did so well. Thank you so much. Send your account number to my sister. I will give you some money. But don't forget, keep your mouth shut.
I will, sir. Thank you so much. All right.
Wow. Neat. Yeah, hello, Afoma. Please, I need to see you immediately. Yeah, yes. Okay. Yes, alright, okay, fine.
Nne, don't worry. You tried your best. In as much as it didn't work out, my brother will still give you something.
There's no problem. My own is that if there is any way they should be flushed out, you have my support. Instead of holding this community hostage. You know why? I have to be on my way. If there is any information, I'll keep you updated.
I trust you. Hey, oh God, baby! Let me see your phone.
All right. What happened? Why is everybody silent? You don't want to talk to me?
Stop it! Go inside and see the Majesty. Hey! Don't dare come close to me. Go inside and see him.
When the evil is on the throne, when the
Move it.
people are on the throne, when the evil is on the throne, Fanagide fe buopumado, Fanagide fe mechalaluo, Makanoni fe Makanoni fe who will fight them for me? My heart is bleeding all the time.
Chido, so you dare try to poison me, the queen of Akawa kingdom? Me? How dare you? How dare you dine with the enemies of this kingdom to poison me?
Your Majesty, I did not do that. How can I poison you?
You did not do that. You did not do that. No problem. Ugoma! Ugoma! Come here, fast!
Your Majesty, please, I didn't do that, please.
Ugoma, go to my room, near my bed. Bring that white gallon where my herb is. Bring it and bring a glass.
Yes, Your Majesty, please, I didn't do that, please. Sir, I didn't do that.
I employed you. I made you my chief mate. Yet you want to kill me. I will make sure you die today.
Your Majesty, please. I'm innocent. I did not do it. Believe me.
You didn't do that. No problem. Since you want me dead, you will die. I will make sure you die today.
I'm innocent, please.
How much were you paid? How much? Bring it. Wait, glass. Why not send it up? Where? Take it. Drink it if you're innocent. Drink it now.
Your Majesty, I do not have stomach ulcer. There's nothing I can drink this for. Please, believe me. I'm being accused wrongly here.
Oh, so it's true. Will you shut up? Shut up! Now I know it's true. Someone bought you over to poison my mother. How dare you? How dare you try such a thing? Your family members will see you no more. Get me the guards now.
Get the guards fast.
When the evil is on the throne, when the evil people are on the throne, when the evil is on the throne, Panagine fe buop mado, Panagine fe mechalalu, Makanoni who will fight them for me? My heart is bleeding all the time.
Your Majesty, you sent for us.
My king.
Take this girl. Lock her up in the cell. Deepest part of the cell where she will not be breathing properly. Lock her up there. No food, no water. If she wants to die, let her die. She's
Catch her! Don't allow her to leave. Catch her! Get her! Where is that girl? Hey! Ikenna, come here. Go to her father's house. Search for her and drag her to this palace. That girl is red flag for this palace. Bring her here at once. Fast!
Listen, she must be uprooted like a done cassava in the farm. She's a lord in the evil kingdom. That girl tried. I have gone to make some verifications and I was told that that woman is beyond any man's destruction. She has to be uprooted. If not, the king remains.
See, I heard the king is planning on instituting a new council of elders. Even with the way he talks to the council of elders, he shouts at them and talks to them anyhow. See, one thing I need you to understand is, they can never go scot-free. And for the mother, she masterminded the killing of my father, you know. And I need to let her know that it is my time. I will show her. She can't just play. How now? Why would they do such? Over our dead body will such a thing happen?
What will you do? This woman has Ndabui. Imagine somebody that ate poison and still walks around smiling. See, there is one person behind her that's giving her so much strength, and her name is Mrima. That Mrima is the issue. Do you understand me? So we have to find a way and uproot her first.
Ndabui or not, one thing that is sure is that we are going to pick them one after the other. The king won't even know we are coming. Oga also. He will run. Obasi also. As for the law, I already told you. Leave her for me. She is my responsibility. Give it a... What is
it? Who's after you? What is it?
They're after my life. As soon as I left here and got to the palace, the queen accused me of poisoning her herbal medicine. The king ordered the guards to tie me and hold me. I escaped.
You have shown so much bravery. Eh? Don't worry, you're home. You're home. I mean, stay with us here.
I'm scared. They might go after my mother. She's the one that brought me to serve in the palace.
Listen, your mother did not commit anything. Okay? Stay with us. Chiamaka went out. I sent her on errand. She will soon be back. Eh? Relax here. See, whatever they are paying you at that palace, we will double in fact, we'll pay you more. You understand me? So there's nothing to worry about, okay?
No problem, sir.
It's okay. Just go and sit down.
No problem. No problem, sir.
Don't worry. Nobody will see you again. Well, you are quite a brave young woman.
Go and sit
I have not been sleeping well at all. I weep day and night. I left my family. I left my business. We need to do something before this woman and her son finishes us. I made a promise on my father's grave, and that I must keep. We have to find a way. We have to liberate our people from these people. We have a lot to do. And we can't leave it for just these elders to do. They can't. Look at the forces in play here. Your brother Ugabata would have been the king if he had survived. And now he's still in the mortuary. We need to get him out and bury him in the palace, where he belongs.
You are the true son of Onowu. You speak with the same authority as your father. The Onowu we know is an upright man. Just because he said that the man is not from the king's groin, for that he will not be the king. They decided to kill him so that the adopted son will become the king. That is it. My people, both of you have spoken well. But we need to do something. We need to seal that minimal woman. We need to expunge her existence from this planet Earth and from the spiritual world. But how do we do that?
Your Majesty, see, amongst all the elders and indigenous in this community, I was the only one who supported your ascension to this throne. As for those kids, those who are troubling you see, I'm from their mother's clan. So they are all in my palms. Yeah? There is no way they cannot trust me. Whatever is their plans, I shall always expose them to you. Okay, let me start from there.
What do you want? Go straight to the point.
The title of Onowu, Your Majesty. With this title, I can stand boldly and fight all those who are opposed to your throne. Yes! I will fight them and reduce them to nothing. Yeah? In fact, whoever says you will not be on this throne, shall leave the dust. Anyone who says your majesty shall not live, the person will die first. Just give me the Onowu title. That is all.
You want to be Onowu?
Yes! Why not?
That's not an office that will be given out freely just like that. You need to do a few secret things for me. Things that will convince me that you are truly on my side. Then I can consider you.
So what am I doing here? Just give the word and it is established. Say it and I will carry it out. Your Majesty, your word is my command.
My enemies, those who have sworn that I will not sit here, eliminate them. Once you do that, you will get the title you seek. And not just that, I will give you plenty of money.
Your Majesty, consider it done. Yes, I shall do your biddings and even more. Yes, after all, when their mother was alive and was getting married to the king, nobody gave me even a kobo for my snuff. Nobody gave me a father. I will deal with them.
Chiamaka, they have arrested my mother and my younger sister. What should I do?
Calm down. It's okay, stop crying. Let's wait for my brothers to come first. Something can be done about that. Huh?
What do you think that can be done? Unless I surrender myself to them. And that means my life. It means my death. The king and his mother can eat human flesh. Chiamaka, I'm worried. I don't know what to do now.
It's okay. I'll tell my brothers to send for the village town crier. They will announce to the community that the king and the queen arrested your family members. And if everyone is aware of it, that means the problem is half solved. It's okay. Stop crying. You need to go to your house and bring some of your clothes here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. The king and the queen will do nothing to you, okay? It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay.
So that is the way it is, you know. Strategy and method, you achieve your goals.
That's right. It won't be like the Iran versus USA war.
That is the way it is. Is it? Chideogo, what are you doing here?
I came to see my friend, their younger sister.
So, you no longer work in the palace?
I do. I'll soon go back.
Okay.
How did you know she was in the palace?
You should understand that. Please, don't worry. How can a woman open place for a entitled man? No, it's not done. Thank you very much for this.
Thank you.
Yes. Like I was saying, every one of them that works in the palace are known to me. Okay, I'm from this community, and there is nothing hidden from me. Yes.
But Uncle, don't be annoyed. She was not working at the palace when my father, the late Iheme, was still alive and the king. And that time he used to frequent the palace, because of your relationship with my dad.
Hey, Uncle, are you sure you have not been sneaking in to go and see Lolo and her adopted child at the palace?
Hey, why would you even say a thing like that about me? Don't you trust me anymore? Remember, I'm from your mother's clan. I mean, how can I lie to you or deceive you? Yeah? Let me tell you something. Ever since that woman and her useless son took over the crown, no. What did I go there to do? What? For what? Please, you don't even go there. Eh? Don't even go there. Please. Look, I like this drink. They call it piqueta. Piqueta. Wow. Malot.
Yeah, you like it. It's a good one.
Yeah?
You enjoy it.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Wow. This is piqueta. Yeah. Let me. Woo.
It's a good one. You
Give me
enjoy
a
it.
aroma.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, eh? Whoa. This is good. I love this.
Yeah, the drink is good.
Wow.
You enjoy it.
This is beautiful.
Enjoy it. It's foreign drink.
Foreign drink.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
You enjoy it.
Oh, you boy.
Oh.
So let's drink up, eh?
Yeah, sure.
Let's. Wow.
Cheers.
Cheers, yeah? Yes. Wow. This is beautiful. I love this drink.
Cheers.
Let's drink. Let's drink.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we've been drinking it now. It's our own. Drink. Just enjoy. Even the whole bottle, you can take it.
Of course, you can drink. Drink. Enjoy your drink.
So yes.
But let's drink now.
That's what we drink almost every
You
time.
drink it every time?
Yes. It's your first time. Test it. You enjoy the drink.
Is that so?
If you need more, we'll just give you some more.
Enjoy your drink. You don't have any. Even if you want, you can take this one home, you know.
The bottle?
Mm-hmm.
No, you don't need that now.
You enjoy the drink.
It doesn't matter. You brought the drink for me, so let's drink. At least you take some sip. I will take a sip.
Check the bottle. You know, it's a strong wine from Spain.
We have more. If you want more, you can even give you one carton.
Yeah, you can have it.
I can have it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in that case, I will go with the bottle.
Yes.
So that when I get to my house, I will relax and enjoy
You
myself.
enjoy it. Let me pour this one for you too.
No, you can drink. Why don't you drink?
No, you enjoy it. We have many here now. That's what I'm saying. I'll pour here for you so that you enjoy it.
Yeah, and can even add this.
Yeah, you enjoy it.
It's a good wine.
Yeah, very good.
All the way from Spain.
Yes, Spain.
Spain.
Spanish wine.
Spanish wine, yeah. If you need more, can you walk out?
No, I will go to my house and enjoy it.
Yeah, as relax. Cool evening like this. Just
it's a very good drink.
Enjoy.
And drink it with Oba.
It's usually taken with this kind of glass cup. I don't know if you have it at all. You can also take it.
It's okay. I'll be on my way.
Alright.
I'll be on my way. I will see you guys later.
Alright. Yes.
No problem.
So later.
Alright. Enjoy yourself. If you test it and you love it, you come for more. We'll have it here.
Okay. Well, I'll be going.
I
will see you.
Okay. What is happening? Why are you taking your bag to? Came in like that?
But I don't know. She came in and started packing her clothes. That she's leaving for her aunt's place. I asked her why. She said Uncle Kwafa will tell the king that she's here.
Yes. He normally comes to the palace. And most times, I heard him demanding to be crowned the Onowu. He's a friend to the king. As I saw him, the king will send his guards to come and arrest me. So, I need to go.
He goes to the palace to meet the king and the mother.
Yes, sir.
I see. And the gods that we didn't expose much.
Exactly.
Yes. Was it the reason he poisoned the drink we gave him?
But I did what?
Yes, he did it. I saw him. But it's okay, no problem. Just drop your bag. Nothing will happen. Nobody from that palace will do anything stupid here. Okay? Drop your things. It's okay. Drop your things. It's okay. I saw the town crier announcing the takeaway of your mother. Oh, no problem. Just go inside and drop your things.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Is that the reason? I remember, I told him that he has been sneaking into the palace, to see the Lola and the adopted son. And he denied.
Don't panic. Sit down.
Aguike.
Mom.
Oba keja chife dali mmili. Ofa kije da one. Ana gbasu sumba. Asa ba di mije. Pe ni femeleme. Oh! Wali nwe egu na okuti do fo na aka ogbuwa ago. Femeleme.
Gentlemen, once again you are welcome.
Your form has told me a lot about Akawa Kingdom. And as I inquire from the gods, they say that the person sitting on the throne of Akawa Kingdom is not a royal blood. He's not even a blood from Akawa Kingdom. So, all that I've been saying is true. And I must tell you the truth here and now. To remove him from that seat is close to impossible. And to kill Lolo, it's not possible. Until that woman called Mirima, who normally come from the sea of Umezo, is caged.
We have been consulting. As I speak to you, me, my brother, and sister, it's impossible to kill. Even a farmer, it's impossible to kill. We know you're a great Dibia. Or am I lying?
The idea of that poison, as I was shown in the spirit, was great. But because Lol has eaten a live cobra, that did not work. I can see war. Huge war in that palace. And you are the rightful son of the king. So, what is happening? What do you want me to do? Because Agaba has no time.
The great Agaba, please, how do we eliminate that entity called Mirima?
That should be my job. It will not take me anything anything to summon her here and warn her to desist from that palace.
Agaba, please. Agaba. We did not come here for you to warn her. Agaba, I know you. I know what you can do. We want you to take her off our way. She should be off. Give her in a memory.
You warn before you strike. And if she continues, I will strike her and turn her into cooking dust. Danu no loko nelu mbeja moto ikirigi ogo. O se sin so amunya bakwa no so. Dani mo ku no lugo oluo. Gini di? Mirima! Appear! Mirima summon you. I command you. Appear here now. I summoned you here in Agaba's enclave to warn you. Desist from hovering around the palace of Aguike and remove all the charms you bury around the palace. You know that he is not a royal blood, and he is sitting on the throne where the original owners are still alive. Go and undo what you do now.
I was contracted for that job. Leaving them would be an offense.
I will not warn you again. I contacted Amoma Miri, your superior, before this invitation. You have 7 market days. 7 market days to vacate from that palace. Else, I will come to you with the fire of Agaba. Don't dare me. Stop supporting evil, Mirima. Stop. I'm not going to Nagesi. I'm not doing my okay. I'm about to be here. Aguike. Oh, no more. Mona Paco.
So I was a little girl of 8 years when my mother left the palace. Aguwa never gave her breathing space just because she did what she couldn't do. She gave birth to Ugabata, Ikeka, Uzondu, and me. And that got her angry. She accused my mother of sleeping with different men while the king was sick. And that was how she was chased out of the palace.
So, when exactly did she give birth to this king? Before your mother gave birth to Gabata, or when?
My mother said as soon as she heard she was pregnant, she started planning how to travel. Nobody knew she had plans of adoption. I am not against adoption. But why would she lie that she gave birth to a child? Because when she left the country, she was not even pregnant. I don't even understand.
Now, wow. So, when your mother left the palace, did she live with all of you?
Yes, so. And she suffered. Hi. Imagine a queen suffering. My brothers were out and I was schooling. They were not even in the country. When Aguwa insisted that her fake son, her adopted son, should be the king. Ugabata, my brother, fought. He tried. He really tried. But he was afflicted with sickness and he died. Even Onowu was not spared because he was assassinated. And that made other elders to run for cover.
It's terrible. You know, my mother told me some of all these things, so. But
she did?
Yes.
And she allowed you to work there. Other old workers are no longer there. They are gone. I just hope something will be done about this. so that Agunwa and our fake king will be disgraced. I can't wait for that day to come.
I pray so. Nne, I'm really sorry for everything.
Lolo, you see, I have tried my best to eliminate them, those boys, and I must succeed. Yeah? It is time for me to apply the sore foot poison. Elias Achuere or Ejule. To do the job. I must finish them. Maybe even.
You see, this is why I talk about you. I appreciate you. And who else will be on a if not you? Hey. I love the role you played in the Ugabata case. If not for you, you see now, look at how calm the palace is. See how calm everywhere is. If not for those little fools that are parading themselves. But they will never smell the seat. Even when I'm gone, they won't.
You see, that's why I say the conferment of the title of Onowu on me should not be delayed any further. Because once I have that title, Onowu, I will use it to fight other elders. All of them. Lolo, you see, right now, nobody is supporting this palace in anything. None of them. You understand? That's why I have to be Onowu today and tomorrow. In fact, I have already discussed this with the king, and he has given me his assurances. Once forget other things.
You know you have my support on that one. Nobody will take... In fact, you're not dragging it with anybody. You are the Onowu that we have. As for that girl that you saw in that house, don't worry. We will still bring her back. Do you know that girl was paid to poison me? I drank the poison to prove to her that no woman can harm me. As we speak, her mother and sister are in the palace cell.
Lolo, you see, talking about that, I would advise that we release them immediately. Yes. People are talking. The entire village is talking about it. Everybody in the community. Let us avoid unrest. We already have enough issues on our hands. Let us concentrate on keeping this throne. Please. We don't need other problems, to distract us from what we're concentrating to achieve. Please, have them released. Please.
Okay, I will discuss that with my son to find a way to effect their release.
Good. Hello. Let me run along.
Okay. Oh no, we choke up. Okay, man. Yeah. Where are you getting the others? Thank you so much. Oh no! Hey.
I heard the king discussing with Lolo that both of you should be sacked.
Rubbish. Because I've not sacked myself. How can the fake king ask us to go and pick Chidiogo from those guys that almost got me blind? If they see me in their house, I may come back here a crippled man.
Well, as for me, I should be leaving this palace very soon. For all of you. I think I need to start taking orders from a real king, not one whose paternity is in doubt.
Hold your mouth, oh. Hold your mouth, because if you speak the one that will put you into trouble, now you go suffer.
Nothing will happen.
Okay.
Nothing will happen, nothing.
Keep saying.
A lot has been going on. Nothing will happen. Imagine we almost got blind.
You didn't see
what
me
could be worse than
No,
that?
you didn't see. I'm out of here. Chinaza is out of here.
Start going.
Must we fold our hands and watch our kingdom die off? Must we look at our people and do nothing? All because of a woman? A woman our late king married out of our place. This woman is not from Akawa kingdom or the son she adopted.
What is happening? Why are we not saying anything? We are quiet. We are too calm. Please don't tell me to be calm. My elders, I respect you. I respect all of you, but at this point, I have to talk. Why are we not doing nothing? What is keeping us? You are the elders. Call our people. Let us march down to that palace, push them out and lock that place.
Afoma, we must not do so. Because that boy was crowned by the late eye of the king, who they gave bribe. And finally, the gods killed him. It will be a taboo to do such a thing.
Now, did you just say taboo?
Oh, yes.
Then what then is not a taboo? If we can allow an unknown blood sit on the throne of Akawa kingdom, what then is not a taboo? What is wrong with our people? Please, what is wrong with our people? We are too quiet. We are too calm for what is happening to us. What is wrong with our people? Let us make moves. You are the titled men of this community. This kingdom needs you. When you speak, things happen. Let us ask questions. Let us ask questions, my elders. Ask questions.
We have young people like you and others that can easily help us in this community.
Yes.
Ugwabata fought and died. Your father, Nage Dionou, fought, and we saw how he ended.
Hi.
It is not that we are keeping quiet. We're not keeping quiet. But I am assuring you that we are on it.
Yes, you're on it.
And what even?
Yes. My son. We are aware. Very much aware. Our ears are on the ground to know what you and the Igwe's two sons have been doing to liberate this kingdom. I know. I was at Agaba Shrine yesterday over the same issue. And he told me a lot of things. We just want to thank you, Aineke, for what you have done and what you continue to do in our valley. From the way things are going,
yes,
I know that we are going to win this.
Yes.
Surely we must win it.
Thank you.
If we need to win this, we have to make a move. My elders, please. Please. Your words are command. Command our people. Please.
We will.
I like that boy. He behaves just like his father. The Ono who does not care who you are. He says his mind. Same character. I like him.
Same thing with Igwe's other children. They're all good.
It's true.
Those boys are fighting tooth and nail to take over this too.
But you know, it's only when we succeed in removing the one in the palace. Then we can all sit down to know if it's the late Igwe that gave birth to the two of them.
You are right.
Including the girl child though. Because I am very sure of Uguabata. But for them, I don't know. The bit that is me, I know it's the Igwe's wife that gave birth to them. But
hey, please, do not bring this kind of issue here. They are the Igwe's children. And you do not have any right to say such a thing about them. I know it might be a joke, but do not try this anymore.
Ha! Honestly, wow. Yeah. Kind of buzzing number.
Mbekuike, when I call, it is time. I am calling on you now. It's time. It's time to answer me. I call on you. Mbekuike, come. Mbekuike. Odogu. Akwageza. No. Wayo. You know where you're going to. This time to show yourself. This time to show them. Mekike. Go. Noche. Hey! Hey! Ogenede. Ani ogwo na eme. Eje na bisije. No, rinne. Ije kwe kogi. I said it. You've never failed. I've never called that you failed to answer. Why would you tell me now? My people, it is done. No. Noche. Our ancestors, you're welcome back. What a good news. She said she was unkillable, untouchable. Now, our forefathers has done their thing. Not in them. Daru. Ikeka Wandem. Mbeko has gone and returned peacefully. Yeah, we must actualize our dreams. Let us now listen for the news. My brother, sure, definitely, we must regain that which is ours. We will.
How can she die just like that? Someone I spoke with last night, and I personally served her food. What then killed her?
What is happening? How can the queen just die like that? Something is wrong somewhere.
They said the late Lolo is not the real mother of the king. Pressure everywhere. Who knows if they are the one that sent what killed her? Now, the king is alone. No mother, no father, no brother, no sister, no wife, no children.
How can he marry when he is facing all these problems? The ones he tried to marry, the elders will go and warn the parents and the kinsmen. I know how many he has seen, and even the ones he choke out for broths. But after hearing the news of how he came and became king, Fiam, Onyobuna Noso.
His backbone has been broken. I think he should make peace with all the elders and other king's family. He's not ruling anyone, and he's not a king to Akawa kingdom.
That one. Make peace. Can't you see the way pride is hanging on his shoulder? When he walks as if he owns a sword. I know by the time we all leave this palace, he's going to leave this country. He will run away. I know that one for sure.
So who will he now leave all the property of the king? All the investments of the late king, which Lolo seized. That is the issue. Make peace. You said no. Bury Ugabata. Isimba. Now where is all the ego and so on? Life is indeed what it is.
What happened to my mother?
I was warned to stay away from this palace. And I have taken everything I buried here that have been protecting you and the queen.
Why?
Because I have been told the truth by the gods.
What truth?
You are not the biological son to the king. And you have no right over the throne. The woman that adopted you lied that she gave birth to you. I'll advise you make peace with the community. Make peace with your brothers, because you are the next target. Find some men to bury the queen. Do not allow her body to be carried to the mortuary. If not, the community will make sure that she will not be buried in this palace anymore. Release the mother and daughter in the palace cell. The community will also come for you if you don't. They are ready. But once they see the mother and child, they will be calm. It's a period of negotiation.
Ichiokafo, come to the palace immediately.
Your Majesty, what am I hearing?
I can't believe the news has spread like that.
Even children are talking about it. The entire community, in fact, everybody's making merry. I don't understand. How can a community be celebrating the death of the queen of this kingdom? I've never seen this kind of thing before.
Simply means there's more trouble. Let's talk it.